Tacoma 2025, fully built with TonnoFlip products. I want you to see this transformation. First, we have the hard folding tonneau cover with the bed mat, as you can see it here on this video, fully protected with TonnoFlip tonneau cover. Two prop rods so you can drive with the cover fully open. Plus, we installed this toolbox. Let me show you what else we installed on this Tacoma here at TonnoFlip Shop. Guys, remember, you can see all these videos in our YouTube channel, TonnoFlip. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, we installed Black Rhino 17-inch wheel with 17-inch Predator Mutant tires, Nerf bars, TFP door visors, TFP roof racks, the Pro style front grille, the skid plate, as you can see here. Everything is perfectly installed here at TonnoFlip Shop. Also, interior protection with the TonnoFlip interior floor mats. Look at that, protecting the whole floor. Also in the back here, protecting everything, the center, the corners, everything. 100% protection for your interior with the TonnoFlip interior floor mats. Look at this beauty. Door visors, the only ones that look so flush and so nice on your Tacoma, the TFP door visors. We'll be uploading daily mods here at TonnoFlip Shop. So subscribe to our channel if you like pickup trucks.